Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. What I thought I would talk about is a follow-up to a $50 new investor portfolio I put out a few days ago. A lot of you guys have been asking for some stocks that have a little bit higher rate of return as well as stocks that give out a monthly dividend. So I thought I would put together a $100 new investor portfolio, a high income fund, a high dividend yield new investor portfolio of 8 stocks that will be a little bit more risky but provide a much higher rate of return. So, kind of with that, I'll jump right into my 8 stocks here. And these stocks altogether come out to $100.02. So, right at a $100 mark for a new investor. 8 stocks, $100. I think it's very affordable, and the rate of return is average right around 11% or so. So the first stock is a stock I actually have, Guggenheim Strategic Opportunities Fund. I love this stock. I've talked about this stock a few times. I like it because it's a company that invests in other companies that they think are undervalued. So it has the philosophy of value investing. It's a reasonably priced. This is actually the highest priced stock of the 8 I have. It's got a great return on investment, dividend yield of 11.064%. And over the last 3 months or so, it's performed very, very well, 4.27%. Stock I currently own, and I probably will be adding to this moving forward. The second stock I have is BHK here, BlackRock Core Bond Trust. This is one of the lowest yielding stocks I have in this 8 stock collection here, 5.14%. But I wanted to give you guys a fund with an emphasis on bonds, so I thought I would include this one. Again, it's a little bit lower, but you can see on the left there the variation of the price is almost non-existent. This is probably one of the most stable funds that I have in my current portfolio. Again, the rate of return is a little bit less than the other high income fund monthly dividend stocks I have in this 8 stock selection, but it's very, very stable, and I think it would be a great addition to a new investor's portfolio. The third stock actually passed over is this PSEC here. I've had this stock for quite some time. It's performed very well for me, 10.37% over the last 3 months. You can see on the bottom here, great dividend yield, 11.6%. And it's very, very reasonably priced at $8.63. The other stocks I have, the other 5 I have, a PIMCO High Income Fund. Again, less than $10 stock. It has a dividend yield of 12.987%. And this stock has performed very, very well over the last 1 year. You can see there's 44.15%. Likewise, BlackRock Capital Investment Fund here. Great dividend yield, 11.46%. This stock has probably been the one that has not performed the best over the last 3 months or so, down 4.54%. But it's got a great dividend yield. It's only $7.32 and a great addition to any new investor's high income monthly portfolio. The other stock here, AWF, another great stock, $12.81, 7.591%. And as you guys can see here, the stocks with the dividend yields are a little bit lower than 10%, are a little bit more stable. You can see on the left there, this is a very, very stable stock like the Bond Core Trust stock I showed you guys. Both of these are less than 10%, but they're much more stable. I thought it'd be a great addition to any new investor's portfolio. IVR here, Invesco Mortgage Capital, $14.86, 10.771%. You can see on the left there a little bit more variation in the price, but over the last 3 months, 1 year, it's performed very, very well. So IVR. And the last stock here, ACP, Avenue Income Credit. Again, this is another fund that invests in value investment strategies, trying to get those investments that they think are underpriced. You can see on the bottom there, 10.345%. Sorry, it's kind of hidden there by my logo and subscribe button. But another very good stock. This has performed okay over the last 3 months, and 1 year it's up 50%. So a very, very, very good stock. So again, 8 stocks here: ACP, IVR, AWF, BKCC, BHK, and then the stocks that I currently own here: BHK, PSEC, and GOF. 8 very good stocks, part of an 8 stock high dividend income investor fund. Like I said, it's right at $100, $100.02 based off current prices. So I think this is a very good way of new investors to get investing on Robinhood. no commission trading. You can buy all these very cheap stocks with no commission trades. You can just go ahead and buy one stock of each, make the portfolio about $100 or so, and get about 11% back annually. And like I said, most of these stocks are paying out monthly, so you can take those funds and invest back into the stocks that I mentioned for some compound interest. I just put a video out about that earlier today as well. So again, 8 stocks here, a new investor, high income fund investor portfolio right at $100. Let me know if you guys like the portfolio, if you guys have any better stocks that could be included to keep the overall fund right at $100 or so. Yeah, let me know if there's any better selections here. So yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you like my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. As you guys know, I'm a relatively new investor. I'm learning about the markets, trying to share my experience with you guys. Always I'm looking for new investment opportunities, new investment strategies, stocks, any advice as well. I'm always open to that, so let me know. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys later.